Morning, you guys. Different kind of adventure today. We're going to go down memory lane. But to do this, we need to go look at some old photos from when I was a child. But those photos are at my parents' house, and they're currently in Bali. So let's sneak on over there, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to talk about today. You ready? Let's go. I found them. These folders are full of my photos. So, essentially, the story goes, I used to fly up here to Brisbane at least once a year on the old Ansett as an unaccompanied minor. Back in those days, I'd come up here and I'd visit Grandma and Grandpa. But let me find a photo for you of Grandpa. First off, check out this photo of my parents raising 4 boys. They're probably all under the age of 10 here. I'm a baby. They look so tired and so over it. Oh, well, you know what? I guess that's what's like having kids. So, these photos represent what it was to come to Queensland as a child. We lived in country New South Wales. And back in the day, it wasn't cheap to fly either. So my parents are saving up to send me up every year. So I could go fishing with my grandpa. That's the main point of this video, is fishing with my grandpa. Back in the day, obviously, you wouldn't take that many photos. So unlike today, you take 100 photos just to get the perfect selfie for Instagram. I have 6 photos here that relate to the time of however many years. I don't even remember how many years, but it felt like every year I'd come up and I would see Grandpa and we would go fishing. This right here is when I was born, and this is my grandfather. I'd come up to Brisbane, I'd take my mum and dad's old suitcase, got my old suitcase there for my parents. That was in 1999. So this photo here is just before we were about to go out fishing, and Grandpa had his own boat, and so he'd always take us out on his boat. He was very, very proud of that boat. We'd be out for hours and hours and hours. We're catching catfish and whiting and brim and jewfish and all that. And it was a lot of fun. And my most fond memories of actually catching a hammerhead shark. We let it go, obviously. We'd be able to catch a baby hammerhead shark. That was exciting. So look, these are the photos of getting the fish, jewfish. Anyway, that's memory lane. But what I want to do now, all right, is actually go fishing again. Now, unfortunately, my grandpa has passed away in recent years, as has my grandma. And I'd have fond memories of, bringing the catch home to her, and then she'd fry it, fillet it and fry it up, and just delicious, fresh fish every night. But unfortunately, they've passed away. They got, they got old. A simple fact. So what I want to do is I want to be able to recreate some of those memories. I'm not going to buy a boat. What I am going to do, I'm going to go down to BCF, I'm going to find myself a fishing rod, and then tomorrow we're going to go fishing, simply for the simple fact of let's go down memory lane and let's feel what it is like to go fishing again up here in Brisbane. Funnily enough, I now live in the same area where my grandparents used to live, where we used to go fishing. Let's go have fun. Let's go fish. Grandpa, going to do this fishing for you, and let's do it. Let's go to BC effing. You gotta see their ad, man. Let's go BCF. All right, let's go.
Bottom camping fishing, it's BCF and fun. 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 So go and ask an expert, they'll show you how.
I don't know how I'm gonna fit this in the car.
Bottom camping fishing, it's BCF and fun. Hey!
Just fits. All right, I got all this gear. Cost me less than $100. I am going to put it all together, and I'm going to see you. I'm going to see you in the morning tomorrow. Let's go fishing and let's recreate memories. Sweet!
Early the next morning.
Well, good morning. I'm down here now at the Wellington Point Jetty. Beautiful sunrise here, and I'm going to quickly put the drone up so you can get a nice aerial view of where I'm going to fish, and then let's go fishing. Gramps, first cast for you. And we're away. One last cast, you guys in the water, and they're going to change positions. Literally no bites. Wasn't very successful. Find somewhere else to fish. I'm complete amateur. I have no idea what I'm doing. Where to fish? Oh, let's go for a drive and find somewhere. Gone to the next spot now, about 5k down the road. The mouth to not a river, where rich people live, with boats and marina. Yeah, sounds right. We'll cast a line out here. Some mangoes and stuff down there. This might work. Let's do it. The lure just came off. The bloody lure just came off. Oh, I have to wait in there and get it. Looks like I've lost it. Which is very annoying. I think it was like a $12 lure. I have one other lure. Maybe I should try a different spot. It'd be so much easier if I had a boat. while I put the other lure on here, let's just send the drone out. Been reset. You've seen the wonderful drone footage around here, and now they head actually back to where I started. There was a spot over there which was pretty much all sand, so I'm going to try fishing there so I don't lose the next jig. Well, I didn't catch anything, but as they say, that's fishing. So what do you do when you can't catch any fish, but you're really hungry? You go to the fish and chip shop, obviously. Oh, delicious. Been an amazing day. Thanks so much for joining me for this slightly different video. If you like, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe as normal, and if you want me to do more videos like this, just let me know in the comments below, as in like fishing videos, and I'll go exploring different waterways. Too easy. That's the end of the video. I don't even know where to start with all this. Oh,